Hello, YouTubers. This is your girl Davey here. I'm gonna show you my supersonic. I think I may have already did, but this leg here, it's falling off. And when I bend it, it falls off. Look. Look, it's not. So, like that, when I bend it, my leg is about to come off. So I'm just going to leave it alone, because if I take it off, I'm like the things to put it back on, and then I'm going to be really mad. If you see the camera, looks like he's missing his nose, because he looks very close, and you can see the nose. That's how the camera is. It looks white in the camera, which is really weird. So, and you all know I think. And if you know a lot about Sonic, you do know that supersonic. Hey, look at me! And here's a flash. And here's my sister. Hey, little princess. Sorry, it pauses like that. Little princess. Watch this. So that's my sister. So let's get back to my super son. And I also can't stop thinking of this song I did a long time ago, which is I'm much better at Sonic. At drawing Sonic now, though. Yeah. So that's my review of my supersonic. I hope yours is not like. I hope yours is supersonic and it's not like mine. Like it's like. It's really loose. You don't see in the camera because of how, what kind of how the camera's looking at you. Like, you know what I mean. Whoever does, might think that too, so there's something to comment.